And we are kicking off this Sunday with some light snow on the horizon. We have actually melted away a good bit of the snowpack, and as we move through the course of the day today, any snow that we receive this morning is going to melt away as temperatures make it back above the freezing mark. Great visibility, though, as we check out a couple of live camera views. This looking out over downtown Grand Rapids. Here's a look at the satellite radar composite, and you see a little bit of light snow now starting to develop along the lakeshore from Holland northward to Grand Haven into the Muskegon area up toward Big Rapids and Newaygo, Ludington, even into Manistee, seeing some light snow this morning. But that's really about it in terms of the precipitation. This is going to be really limited amounts today. In fact, we don't have any kind of an advisory in effect, and any precipitation today, again, you'll see maybe an inch or so in areas north of Grand Rapids, an inch or less. So most of us getting just trace amounts along and south of the I-96 corridor. So what are we tracking for you? The morning light snow moves out very quickly. Most of this Sunday will end up being dry, considerably cloudy with high temps in the mid to upper 30s. Chance of some light rain during the day tomorrow. Could start initially as a wintry mix just prior to daybreak, so could be looking at a little bit of light rain or a light wintry mix for that Monday morning commute. Otherwise, the big storm system coming our way will arrive Wednesday into Wednesday night and Thursday, a midweek messy storm system, which could even include some freezing rain across the central and southern part of the state. We'll keep you posted on that. In the meantime, we're in the low to mid 20s out there this morning. You'll notice upstream, at least immediately, no Arctic air in sight. There is a shot at some colder air starting to develop across northern sections of Montana and North Dakota, where temperatures are in the single digits this morning. We're going to get a quick shot of some colder air developing on Tuesday. Currently, we've got wind chills in the teens, and upstream, you can see that colder pocket of air has wind chills a little bit below zero. So we'll be looking at that colder air arriving into West Michigan by Wednesday, with the next system arriving with that messy mixture precipitation by Wednesday and Thursday. Look at the future track. Again, any light snow this morning clears out very quickly. This is moving through tonight into early tomorrow. System for tomorrow morning will produce precipitation, especially in areas to the north. A little bit of light rain expected across the central and southern part of the state. By Tuesday, Monday night and Tuesday, we get a quick shot of that colder air rolling in, and that will come along with some breaks in the clouds, so we'll see some sunshine here on Tuesday. And the next system coming into play, that will be arriving as we head through the day Wednesday, and that's going to produce some heavier snow across the central and northern part of the state. Because we will see a mixture across the central and southern part of the state, snow totals will be less, but we will look at the potential for some slippery travel. So a very active week of weather ahead, with some intervals, though, of peaceful weather in between. Light snow this morning, that light wintry mix, especially early in the day tomorrow. Snow to the north, some sunshine returning on Tuesday. The bigger system arrives Wednesday into Thursday. Friday, we're back to partial sunshine. By Saturday, another shot at some light snow developing. A look at the overall temperature outlook. This takes us through the middle of February. The colder air really continuing to pool across the central and western part of the United States. The warm-up continues to prevail on those longer-range computer models from the mid-Atlantic states and Carolinas down to the Gulf Coast. And here in West Michigan, we're going to be at or a little below average likely, but by that point, our average highs start to climb a little bit into the low to mid 30s.